are you?
Hi, myself Govind Singh Bisht, and I'm working with Sunms4 for last almost 2 years, and I'm working for the client is Swansea University, and I've got overall 14 years experience and more than 10 years in education industry. And in Swansea, West Sanam, I'm taking care of the branding part of the university. I'm promoting the university across India, in fact, Nepal region as well. And in last 2 years, we have promoted the brand in a manner that people know it more, and we have created the awareness among the students, among the agents, those who work for the university, and I've been enjoying my profile so far. In Sunms4, we have got a huge office, very nice setup with all the basic equipments which are required, all the modern equipments. We have boardrooms, small boardroom for small meetings with say 8 to 10 packs, and we've got a big boardroom wherein we can have more than 30-35 people, and which we can use for the seminars, we can use for the small meetings, we can use for the workshop with the consultants or maybe with the students. And my favorite place is the cafeteria, as we generally gel with the staff members. We've got a plasma screen there, we can watch the television, we can watch the news, and sometimes the 2020 cricket matches as well. And so it's just an environment where we people gel well, and we share good things with each other. The cultural exchanges here. We have got people from different industries here. Not only education, because Sunms4 is a platform which is given to the different companies, wherein it could be someone from UK education, someone for the Australian education, someone for the US education. And in last 2 years, yes, as I said, I've been working for the Swansea University through Sunm office. The benefit is that now, as I said earlier, that people know more about the products, people know more about the university, the ranking, the location, the USP, and I have been able to manage a cordial relationship between the university and the consultants, those who work for us across the country. Which definitely is showing in the numbers, though the market is not really good as far as UK is concerned. But still, I can say that the number of students has increased from the agents, and we are very hopeful for this year, and expecting better numbers, definitely.